I travel the whole world without ever leaving my corner. What am I? A stamp, small in size, but it goes on big journeys across the world. The more you take from me, the bigger I become. What am I? A hole, the more you remove, the larger it grows every time. I have many keys but I can't open a single lock. What am I? A piano, lots of keys, but they make music, not unlock doors. I'm tall when I'm young and short when I'm old. What am I? A candle, burning bright at first, shrinking as time goes on. I follow you all day long, but disappear at night. What am I? Your shadow, always behind you, until the light is gone. I have hands but can't clap, and a face but can't smile. What am I? A clock, it shows time, but never shows emotion. I'm always in front of you, but you'll never see me. What am I? The future, always coming, but never visible. I go up and down but never move from my place. What am I? Stairs, they stay still while you do all the moving. I have a head and a tail but no body. What am I? A coin, two sides, but no middle body at all. I can fill a room but take up no space. What am I? Light, everywhere around you, yet impossible to hold. I speak without a mouth and hear without ears. What am I? An echo, a voice that answers back with no body. I can fly without wings, cry without eyes, and run without legs. What am I? Clouds, floating above, raining below, always moving. I have one eye but cannot see. What am I? A needle, one tiny eye made only for thread. I shave every day, but my beard stays the same. Who am I? A barber, shaving others, never himself. I'm light as a feather, yet no one can hold me for long. What am I? Your breath, invisible, essential, but impossible to keep. The more you share me, the less you have. What am I? A secret, once it's shared, it's no longer yours. I break without being touched and fall without being pushed. What am I? Night, it breaks into day without a sound. I have a neck but no head, 2 arms but no hands. What am I? A shirt, made to fit you, not to live. I come once in a minute, twice in a moment, but never in 1,000 years. What am I? The letter M, hidden in words, not in time. I can be cracked, made, told, and played, but never eaten. What am I? A joke, meant to be shared, not swallowed. How many riddles did you solve correctly? Be honest and drop your score in the comments. If you enjoyed this brain challenge, hit like, subscribe, and get ready for even tougher riddles in the next video.